Hi, let's talk about our new tool, Texture Assigner HDRP, which is a dedicated tool for HDRP project.
Open the Texture Assigner HDRP from the Zero Gravity Devs menu under the Tools section.
Drag and drop the mesh or 3D object into the Target Object field in the Editor window. Click the Extract and Save Materials button to extract and save the material. You can either choose a folder to save the material or create a new folder to save the material.
Click on the Show Mapped Materials to see the materials that are attached in this 3D object. You can see the list of all mapped materials in the left side of the Editor window.
Click the Auto Assign Textures from Folders button and select where the folder where the textures are saved. Choose the correct folder to load all the textures to the materials automatically.
Now you can see the textures are all assigned to materials. You don't have to manually assign each textures to a materials. With this tool, you can easily assign all the textures of a materials very quickly.
You can assign the material directly also. Click on the Direct Material mode and choose the material you want to assign the texture. Click on the button and select the texture folder to assign the texture to materials.
Thanks for checking out this tutorial. Drop us your feedback and show some support if you enjoyed it.